I am Paul, Cloud Specialist, Zeedup Technologies. I am Certified Instructor in AWS Solution Architecture Associate, AWS Developer Associate, and AWS Professional. We are going to see AWS real-time project explanation in English and Tamil. Please do subscribe our channel. Hi everyone, it's me, Paul from Zeedup Technologies. Right now, I'm going to show you how to recover Linux server from key loss. Right, so this is very important for production environment. They may lose a key file, that the key-based password authentication for Linux. So I'm going to show the recovery in different way. Okay, so let me get into my Mumbai region first. And let me already have, this is the machine which I have lost the key pair. Okay, so let's see what is the key pair. The key pair is playbooks.pem, and which has been lost or corrupted or has been deleted or modified. So this server is very important for me, and that is a key pair we have. So next, and all the key pairs are region specific. That's why it's stored in a specific region here. Okay, so I just walk out the steps how to recover this instance from key failures. Okay, so first of all, let me stop this instance. Okay, so I'm going to launch an instance. So there we can see I'm going to launch AMI Linux. Okay, so let me give the proper tag, recovery machine. So select existing security groups and which have port number 22 enabled. Okay, so create a new key pair. So I have already a existing key pair we have here. Okay, and don't think so this key pair is available on this machine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new key pair. So recovery and download the key pair and launch instance. So this is the machine which I have here. Recovery machine is is just starting up, and it is very important for a production environment, so that they should have a remedy recovery for these types of problems. So there you can see we have running the machines. So I'm going to take SSH via mobile xterm. So you can see you can also take SSH via PuTTY, or you have any VM machine which is running in VMware or Hyper-V. Okay, so go to SSH and just have the public IP of my recovery machine. Specify username ec2-user and go to advanced settings, and I'm going to have the key pair which I have already downloaded as a private key in my local machine, that is recovery. That's one. So there you can see the instance has been successfully launched. So now I'm going to get into root. Okay, so here I'm going to give Generally, in Linux, the keys are stored in hidden location. This is you have to find that cd.ssh vi authorized keys. So there you can see. So here the public key is stored, and this is the location where they stored the public key, and private key is with us. Okay, so let me get back into home EC2 user, and let me generate a key for recovery key for that particular server which has been lost the key. For that, I'm going to use I can attach any key. Okay, I can attach any key which is running on any region. So I'm going to attach for the downloads. So let me check the key here. Yeah, efs.pem. Let me open it in Notepad, and let I copy this the content of the private key. Okay, so now go back to my instance. So I'm going to type efs.pem, enter, and then paste the private key content without any single modification or change. Gently press enter, Control C, and give the permissions, read only permissions as Amazon specified already. Change mode 400 and name of the key file efs.pem. Now I need to find the public key of this particular file. So that is ssh keygen -y -f and then efs.pem. Enter, and there you can see the public key. Okay, so gently we need to copy this public key, and since I can't able to get into that instance, okay, so because the instance has been suffered from key loss, so I had to go to I cannot go to this location, or just like I'm doing in this machine, like cat authorized keys, or neither I can able to copy here. Okay, for that machine, because that machine has no key right now and no alternate key, so what I'm going to do, I have written a script already. Okay, the script for AWS for Linux recovery. But most of the people they do Linux recovery via attaching, detaching the storages. But that is tremendous task, and also it will lead to a lot of confusions, and also that steps maybe not help you to come after this particular type of issues. Okay, so there you can see this is my instance, this is my script I have written. So I need to do some modifications here. So here SSH authorized keys, I need to copy that one. Okay, and make sure this SSH authorized key should be in single line. And here this one is I'm going to modify as a always cloud config file, because always is best, because every time he will go and check the key is properly loaded or not. And I'm going to default username for Linux instance is ec2-user. Okay, so copy this one, copy, and go to the problematic instance. So let me go to problematic instance, and here I'm going to run this one as a user data. Right, so go to VO change and paste it here. And this user data is so powerful feature where you can troubleshoot many things here, not even writing script, running script. Okay, so let me start that instance. Okay, so let me start, and because I just previously shown you the key pair. Okay, where's the key pair here? So this is, let me start the instance, and this is AWS CLI server. Alright, so there you can see, now I am going to test this machine whether he can able to access, he can able to get connected with that newly stored key, that is recovery key, efs.pem. So let me put that one here, the public IP and default user EC2 user, and where is the key? efs.pem. Here we have EFS, and click OK. There you can see it works. So that is how you got recovery. And so this means when I go to this location again, so I must have two keys. One is playbooks, and there you can see one is EFS. There you can see two keys I have here. So one is playbook here and another one here is EFS. Okay, if you're really confused, let me put that in a separate, let I show you in separate list. Okay, so let me go here. Oops, okay, sorry. So okay, lots of things here. The keyboard playing with me. Okay, there you can see here I got the two keys, playbooks and EFS. Like this is how we recover our Linux instance in our production environment, which is so important for us, and this is one of the simplest recovery we have. I hope you understood. See you on next video. Take care. Bye bye.